Ordinalis cardinalis. Red parakeet, lilia, hummingbird, Siberian crane, hoopoe, sunbird, rainbow lorikeet, red-crested taraco, blue jay, wood duck, dusky lory, northern goshawk, Galapagos cormorant, black-throated sunbird, great spotted woodpecker, evening grosbeak, snow bunting, red and white winged crossbills, hoary and common redpost, American robin, canary, eagle, pigeon, yellow-colored canary, dove, Victoria pigeon, frogmouth, shoveler, carasso, Indian pitta forage, red-tailed miller, sparrow, nightingale, quail, seagull, skylark, penguin, peacock, owl, goldfinch, cuckoo, golden pheasant, Indian paradise flycatcher, great white pelican, golden oriole, red avadab, Teming tragopan, red-winged blackbird, yellow-winged blackbird, yellow-headed blackbird, green-colored coppersmith barbet, starling, stork, swan, swallow, tailor bird, coppersmith barbet, Asiatic sparrow hawk, white-chicked barbet, weavebird, wagtail, green bee eater, green pigeon, greater flamingo. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it till now. Thanks for watching.